In this video, we'll show you how to fix Roblox error code 279. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you want to fix Roblox error code 279, this usually means your game can't connect to server properly. It's often caused by internet issues, firewall blocks, or browser problems. So if you're looking to fix this and actually join games without getting kicked out, just follow along. Alright, so first let's make sure your internet is stable. Just restart your router, wait around 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Once you've done that, reconnect your PC and try joining a Roblox game again. You should see a more stable connection. If your internet was the issue, this should fix it right away. If your internet is okay, there is a chance that Roblox server is down. So to check that, you can open up your browser on your phone or PC and just type in status.roblox.com just like that and hit enter. You'll go to this website here where you can see if there is anything wrong with Roblox server itself. Seems like everything is okay here, so we are going to the next step. Alright, the next step is we're gonna check if Windows Firewall is blocking your game. Sometimes Windows Firewall blocks Roblox from connecting. So you can click the start menu and type in Windows Security, which is this one, open it up. And then from here, you wanna go to Firewall and Network Protection. And then from here, you wanna click on Private Network and turn this off. After you do that, go ahead and open up Roblox and join any games and see if this fixes it. Whether the problem is still there or not, I would recommend you to turn this back on because we're gonna allow Roblox through Firewall on the next step. So go ahead and turn this back on. So now you can go back and from here, you wanna click on Allow an app to Firewall. It'll open up this window right here, and before you can make any changes, you need to click Change Settings and it will enable you to change settings. You can scroll down and look for Roblox. If you cannot find it through the list, you can click Allow another app to add Roblox to the list. You can click Browse and then go to Roblox installation folder. You can find it by just typing Roblox on the start menu and then right clicking it and open file location. And if it's a shortcut, you can right click again and click open file location again, which leads you to the game installation folder. So it's going to be this one. You can click on the top bar and then right click on it and hit copy, go back to Firewall and then just paste it on the top bar here, right click, hit paste and then press enter like that. And here you want to select Roblox player beta.exe and hit open. Just like that, hit add. And there we go. Roblox game client is now added. And what you want to do is check private and public. So both of this. All right. And that's done. Now, if your problem is firewall, that should fix it. All right. If you're launching Roblox from a browser, this can also cause the error. I would recommend you to install the game client. If you still want to launch Roblox from your browser, you can try another browser. And there's a thing that you can do on your browser. So let's say Google Chrome. Let's open it up. If you're launching Roblox through Google Chrome, you can click the three dots on the right here. It's going to be pretty similar for other browsers as well. So here you just go to settings and then you want to go to privacy and security. And then you want to look for delete browser data. For another browser, it's going to be similar as I said. So just click on that. And here you can delete cache from this device. So let's go ahead and do that. Delete from this device, and then you need to log back into Roblox in Google Chrome or whatever browser you have. So that's that. So next, if you're using a VPN or a browser extensions, they can interfere with Roblox servers. You can try to disable it and see if that fixes it. If you still have issue, one more thing you can do is to reset your network. So what you can do is go to start menu and type in CMD. So it's going to be command prompt. You want to run it as administrator. So click that. And from here, you want to type these commands one by one. So the first one is ipconfig/flush DNS. Press enter. And then after that, type in netsh winsock reset, just like that. And press enter. And then you're going to type in ipconfig/release, press enter, and the last command is ipconfig/renew, just like that. Press enter, and after you've entered all of the commands, you're going to restart your PC and launch Roblox again. And that's it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.